Okay everyone, let's go and create the transition and fix them. Some of you may ask, we have a title here, okay? As everybody know, we have a title here, but you may ask me, why don't I use the title in the text? It's a question some of you may ask, and also I really say it's important to ask a question for improving. Why we don't have a title? Because I have some other program for the title and I'm going to show. At first, these slides are created. I make a copy of this slide and paste I don't know what I paste here, but whatever I paste, it's not a good thing. Okay, I'm going to paste the title here, AI in healthcare, and paste it in the format. Okay, I'm going to put it here. Some of you may say it's not look great and you overlook something. Yes, absolutely you are right, but I'm going to create the transition for it. How? I'm going to make it a great black. Then I'm going to give these things shadows. How shadows? I'm going to give it the right shadows, and I'm going to give it the left shadows, and I'm going to give it the bottom, and I'm going to give it top. Then we have this slide, but I'm going to create the transition. How? Let's say in this slide, I'm going to set the background as always white, and then I select all of them and go to align and align them center and middle. Okay, and put it and drag it down. It's look great. Now when we set the transition to morph, you see the transition, it's absolutely look great. You can also reduce it in size, for example something like this, and when you see the transition, it's look like this. It's like unboxing a box and gave us a good feeling. You see, it's like unboxing a box, and I really like it. You can use it also. And if you look here, why we created the shadows, you see this text has shadows everywhere. You maybe don't understand why is it important. Let me just go here to shadow and make it no shadow. I want to give you a feeling of the differences. Let's say go to shadows and make it no shadows. Let's just look about it. You see these shadows make the shape more alive and beautiful. You can see here. It's important to use shadows. Okay, we create this, but some of you may ask, we don't have our title here. It's not important to have the title. We can also don't have this page, because the titles are something that we are introducing. It's important you make the person understand that you are changing the title, not by showing in the presentation. Okay, this is it. We create this great transition here, and we are near the last of this presentation. We are going to create these things and make everything happen. Until then, don't forget, if you like my videos, please like and subscribe, and ask me if you need anything in the comments. I will answer.